welcome to the show. Have you ever wondered what the sounds of animals are meant for, or what they mean? New research suggests wild African elephants call each other by unique names. So African elephants call each other by unique names, a new study shows. Let's look into it. African elephants call each other and respond to individual names, something that few wild animals do, according to new research published on Monday. The names are one part of elephants' low rumbles that they can hear over long distances across the savannah. Scientists believe that animals with complex social structures and family groups that separate and then reunite often may be more likely to use individual names. If you're looking after a large family, you've got to be able to say, "Hey, Virginia, get over here," said Duke University ecologist Stuart Pimm, who was not involved in the study. It's extremely rare for wild animals to call each other by unique names. Humans have names, of course, and our dogs come with their names or call. Baby dolphins invent their own names called signature whistles, and parrots may also use names. Each of these naming species also possesses the ability to learn to pronounce unique new sounds throughout their lives, a rare talent that elephants also possess. So, for the study in Nature, Ecology, and Evolution, biologists used machine learning to detect the use of names in a sound library of savanna elephant vocalizations recorded at Kenya's Samburu National Reserve and Amboseli National Park. Let's see what they found out. The researchers followed the elephants in jeeps to observe who called out and who appeared to respond. For example, if a mother called to a calf, or a matriarch called to a straggler, who later rejoined the family group. Analyzing only the audio data, the computer model predicted which elephant was being addressed 28% of the time, likely due to the inclusion of its name. When fed meaningless data, the model only accurately labeled 8% of calls. And this is very interesting. I've seen machine learning being used in advertising. I've seen it being used in fintech. I've seen it being used in different industries. Being used in ecology is very interesting, guys. Very interesting. Let's look into it further. Just like humans, elephants use names, but probably don't use names in the majority of utterances, so we wouldn't expect 100%, said study author and Cornell University biologist Mickey Pardo. Cornell, great school, Ivy League. Elephant rumbles include sounds that are below the range of human hearing. That's very interesting. So they make some sounds that we can't hear or pick up. The scientists still don't know which part of the vocalization is the name. Researchers tested their results by playing recordings to individual elephants who responded more energetically, ears flapping, trunks lifted, that kind of thing, to recordings that contained their names. Sometimes elephants entirely ignored vocalizations addressed to others. I guess that's why they have big ears. Elephants are incredibly social, always talking and touching each other. This naming is probably one of the things that underpins their ability to communicate to individuals, said co-author and Colorado State University ecologist George Whitmire, who is also a scientific advisor for nonprofit Save the Elephants. "We just cracked open the door a bit to the elephant mind," he said. Thanks for stopping by. Keep it locked. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.